So Spunky, what are we doing now?
Hey son, stop music.
Other than yelling at our Senna device. Just what are you doing now? Other than going
We're going to the punk rock show.
We're going to the punk rock show. Let's go to the punk rock show.
Hey there interwebs, we're back for another motorcycle adventure. For us, we're either riding our dirt bikes on the back roads of the Caribou region of BC, camping at the local area rec sites, or we're doing longer distance adventure motorcycling on our Honda NX500s. Whichever we do, along the way we talk about the bikes, the equipment we use, and the experience, filming using GoPros and drones. We'd love to have you along for the ride, so jump on the back of the bikes and let's go.
And I'm recording. And there's Jamie in her new jacket. Her new Honda jacket. Heading over to visit wee Milo and then off to the motorcycle show. Jamie forgot to put a battery in her GoPro, so she is not recording. But she has a really nice new GoPro.
And a jacket.
And a nice new jacket. Anyhow.
So the warning today was for fog. Nothing. All that palaver for nothing. I only heard, if I heard any...
Did you see a light?
I do see a light.
Oh, okay. You didn't see a light before that.
I did not.
So it wasn't recording all the time.
No, you turned it off. I heard it go beep, 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 beep.
I must have turned it on and I couldn't hear it and then turned it right off because I was struggling.
Where the fuck am I going? Whee!
It was a little hill. There was a little hill there. Oh, we should have done that. We should have done what they did.
We do that?
I don't know. I'm not really sure.
Just wanted to practice the backing up.
I guess I did, yeah. Or I might be an idiot. Idiocy could be part of it. Huh? Good morning. How you doing? I like your Moto Guzzi. I wonder if they have a we've already paid.
They do on the other side.
Oh, that one there. Yeah. Ticket holders.
That's why I didn't want to go last night.
Burr, yeah. Well, we don't have to wait for tickets.
Awesome. I'm just gonna stop you guys.
Hey, brother.
Remember me from yesterday?
Yeah.
Her too. Yeah.
I thought I remember you.
Thank
I
you.
was still there, so you didn't take the shower.
Yeah, no, we didn't. Try not to. Thank you.
Would you guys like a bag at all?
Sure.
Here, one's for you as well.
No, that's okay.
I'll grab one.
Yeah. Over there. So we're gonna try and go down there today. Down there.
And there, we have to go down that far side.
We have to go down that far side.